Hey everyone, Tessa here. First I want to thank RMR Solutions for sending me this mold and mildew stain remover for my honest review, so let's dive in. This is contractor grade, as you can see here. I took it to the toughest spot I have, this really moldy section of wall in my garage, and I have to admit, I was impressed. It did a fantastic job. As you can see, the before was really bad, but the after shows a massive difference. So if your primary question is, does it remove mold stains? The answer is a resounding yes. This product comes with a mountain of warnings, so I took every precaution. If you're using this, you absolutely need to suit up. I wore goggles, gloves, and a mask, and that mask was essential. The reviews mentioned the smell, and they were right. It's overwhelming, and the scent lingers for quite a while. You need excellent ventilation, especially if you use it indoors. Look at my pants. I ended up bleaching them, and let me clarify, I was being extremely careful. I have never had this happen before, even when using standard Clorox type bleach products in the past. Yet somehow a few little spots got bleached. It's beyond me how this happened, given how careful I was. So wear clothes you don't care about, because even if you are being really careful, this stuff will find a way to bleach them. This product is really versatile. As you can see here, it is great for wood, lumber, plastics, and PVC, concrete, stucco, stone, and brick, vinyl siding, drywall, and fiberglass. It works exceptionally well on mold. If you handle this with the respect it demands, it will improve your mold problems. But be careful, this is not a simple cleaning spray.